Good afternoon. I am Disha Agrawal and I am a student of Government College of Education, Agrawal. So here I am presenting of class 8 and my subject is mathematics and our topic is understanding quadrilaterals. In this topic we studied the many terms: quadrilateral, trapezium, kite, parallelogram, rhombus, square and rectangle. So I want to ask a basic question to know your previous knowledge. After this, we study in this topic. Now, first of all, can you tell me? Anyone tell me what is line segment? Yes. Anyone line segment? A line which has two endpoints. It is called line segment. A line which have two endpoints, it is called line segment. Now, how many types of curves? Anyone tell me? How many types of curves? Yes, it has two types. Name them. Anyone? First is closed and second is open. Closed curve is that? It is a closed curve, and open curve is it is a open curve. Understood? Now, what is polygon? Anyone tell me definition of polygon? A simple curve made up of only line segment. A simple curve made up of any line segment, it is called a polygon. Very good. Now, give some example of polygon. It is triangle. And anyone guessing or tell me? Pentagon. Very good. And quadrilateral, etc. Very good. So, what is quadrilateral? Okay, you have some problem now. So today's student we will study about understanding quadrilateral. So write on in your notebook the definition of quadrilateral or a polygon. First of all, polygon. We introduced polygon, a simple closed curve made up of only one line segment is called a polygon. For example, it has triangle. It has three sides. Triangle has three sides. Quadrilateral has four sides. Quadrilateral has four sides, and polygon have five sides. Polygon has five sides. Now, angle sum property. First of all, we introduce quadrilateral. So, kinds of quadrilateral. We have different type of quadrilateral. First is trapezium, kite, parallelogram, rhombus, square and rectangle. Let we introduce. First is trapezium. Trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides. Now, look at the blackboard with the diagram. Trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides. It is a trapezium. Name them K, L, M. So here you can see that K, L is equal to N, M. Not this side. It is equal opposite side. two sides are equal. So we have kite, trapezium. Now kite is a special type of a quadrilateral. The side which with the same marking in each figure are equal. It is a kite shape. Name them A, B, C. So it is a same equal. Kite is a special type of a quadrilateral. The sides with the same marking in each figure are equal. Okay. Now a kite has a four sides. You can see that, and it is a quadrilateral. There are exactly two distinct consecutive pair of side of equal length. Now we have parallelogram. It is a parallelogram. Name them A, B, C, D. All sides are equal. So the parallelogram is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal. Now AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to DC. The opposite side of parallelogram are of equal length. So the opposite angle of the parallelogram are of equal measure. Naming the opposite angle of a parallelogram are of equal measure. So we measure angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So the diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other and let the point of intersection. So AO is bisect to OC and OB is equals to OD. So we have a numerical. Find a parameter of a parallelogram. Find a parameter of parallelogram. In a parallelogram, the opposite sides have same length. So PQ equals to SR. Name them P, Q, S and R. So PQ is equals to SR and QR equals to RS. It is equals to now 12 centimeter and it is 7 centimeter. So we have a perimeter of a parallelogram PQ plus QR plus SR plus RP. PS. PQ, Q, R. So PQ equals to RS equals to 12 centimeter and PR equals to QS equals to 7 centimeter. So we use formula of perimeter of parallelogram PQ plus PR plus RS plus QS equals to, so opposite side is equal, so QS equals to 7 and RS also 12 centimeter. So put up the value 12 plus PR is 7 plus RS equals to 12 plus QS equals to 7. So now we have the answer of perimeter of a parallelogram is 38 centimeter. Now some special parallelogram is rhombus, square and rectangle. So rhombus, the diagonal of a rhombus are perpendicular bisector of one another. Rhombus is that type of figure, and so a rhombus has all properties of a parallelogram and also that of a kite. And a rectangle is a parallelogram with equal angle. Rectangle is a parallelogram with equal angle, and the diagonal of a rectangle are also equal length. Now we have a square. So square is a rectangle with equal sides. Square is a rectangle with equal sides. In a square, the diagonals. In a square, we have a diagonal. Now bisect one another and are of equal length and one of perpendicular to one another. So are you understand? So write down your homework in your notebook, and tomorrow I will check your homework. So class, write down your homework. First is name the different shapes. Name the different diagram. Two adjacent angles. Now, two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measure, and find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. So, note down your homework. So, tomorrow we will meet and I will check your homework. So, class is over.